Container shipping is responsible for transporting 90% of world trade around the globe, so we think that it's very important for businesses in our industry in particular to be proactive and take certain measures to try and reduce emissions, especially in terms of fuel reduction, emissions reduction in terms of fuel burning. So we proactively take a lot of initiatives to try and reduce the amount of fuel that we burn in various areas around the world. In terms of our fuel saving program, which we've had in place since 2001, we have weather routing systems on our vessels. We have other kind of sophisticated plans that are implemented by our fleet management department, like a cargo load plan to make sure that the vessel is balanced at all times, and also ballast water, which is intake of water that actually keeps the ship on an even keel, which means that it's not heavy at one end and reduces and results in the drag of the vessel, which actually increases fuel burn. So these are some of the initiatives. Also slow steaming, which reducing the speed of the vessel by around 2 to 5 knots on a vessel voyage will dramatically burn less fuel and also reduce carbon emissions by around 3,000 metric tons on a round trip from Asia to Europe. Well, we communicate via our website. We have an environmental care website. We also talk very regularly to our customers. Our customers are actually asking more and more for these type of figures and the kind of initiatives that we're doing, because they're interested in reducing their own carbon footprint. We are a B2B business, so we have to help our customers reduce their carbon footprint from moving cargo from one place to the other. And the way that we do this is by reducing our fuel burn ourselves. Yes, we still believe it's very important. Despite the recession, we think that environmental care is a long-term initiative. When we deploy a new ship, the ship is actually going to be in service for maybe 20 years. So we see this as a very long-term initiative, and the more investment that we can make in new technologies now, the better off we're going to be in the future. So we don't see the recession as having any influence over our environmental care initiatives.